Hey guys, A28 Fine Adventure here. I'm going to show you the proper way to use the Adams Polishes undercarriage spray and the 3M tire restorer. I'm going to use both these products in this video and show you how to apply them and what works for me. So let's go check it out. Okay everyone, here's a before. You can see that tire, kind of grayish, scuffed from parking and whatnot, and from dirt and different things. You can look up here at the wheel tub. It's kind of grayish, you know. I've tried a few products on this. Let's go up front and check out that tire. You can see the scuffs on that as well. Let's check out this wheel tub here. You know, it gets a lot of road grime up front. So we're gonna try a couple of products, one on the tire and one on the wheel tub, and see how they do. This is for old man knees. Works great. So the first product I'm going to use is the tire restorer. It's a 3M car care product. Spray that around. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm just showing you what I do. You get a microfiber cloth, one that's kind of dirty, and I just do that all the way around. This isn't going to leave your tires looking shiny, but it gets them back to the black color, which is what I want. You know, while I'm here, I will wipe down these rims. We'll come back to the rims later. There you go. Those tires look pretty black now. All right, next product I'm going to use. This is the Adams Polishes undercarriage spray. You just spray that on everything. Smells pretty good, kind of like grape. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Let it dry. And we'll come back to that. That's all you do. Spray it on. And there we go. That's all you do. And you let that dry. And hey guys, I'll put a link under the video in the description if you're interested in these. Okay guys, check this out. You can see how that tire looks much better. Gives it a nice matte black finish. And the wheel tubs here, they're still drying. Check that out. Looks really nice in there. Let's walk around. See this one? Oh yeah, that tire looks good. Got rid of all those imperfections from bumping into curbs. Wheel tubs, everything in there looking new. With the Adams Polishes undercarriage cleaner. Now, this tire refinisher works great. Look at that. Still drying the undercarriage cleaner, but you can tell it's going to look like new. Great for show cars. Now, after waiting 1 to 2 hours, I'm going to wipe down the undercarriage where I sprayed the undercarriage spray with a microfiber cloth. And that brings it back to what I think is a new condition. It looks like just when I drove it off the lot when it had 0 miles. Now this is what it looks like after I wiped it down microcloth. I even did the upper control arms, the little vinyl or rubber flaps that keep water and stuff from getting in the engine bay. I wiped it all down, and even the chassis, and it really made it look new again. Maybe one day I'll get a little crazy and go underneath the vehicle and do everything, but I'm only doing the wheel well area at the time. But look at this, it looks like a new truck. Even got a little bit on the plastic gas tank and wiped it down, the chassis. I mean, it makes it look new. I'm really happy with this product. The tire restorer works great on the tires, especially if you have like brake dust that have stained the tires, kind of that brown color. It really helped. I used this stuff first on our Subaru Legacy to get the tires back to the black color. So check that out as well. I'll put a link under the video in the description if you're interested in doing a little research and checking this stuff out. Well, hey guys, I hope you liked my video demonstrating how I use this 3M tire restorer and the Adams polishes undercarriage spray. I finally figured out how to use this and how to perfect the look. Pretty simple. Just you're just going to need some microfiber cloths to pull it off and a little bit of time for the undercarriage spray. The tire restorer works great and works fast. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you would, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. See ya.